Folks, there's no mincing words. We are in a nutty, dare I say chaotic time with the financial markets. Stocks are down double digits, and even the bond market is taking a hit as treasuries and a variety of other debt are being sold off. And naturally, most people are concerned. That is why I'm going to give you 3 things that you need to consider for your own investment portfolio as we continue to tread in this murky water. Tip number 1, and this is the golden rule when it comes to investing: do not sell at a loss. I repeat, do not sell at a loss just because the markets are experiencing one of their many short-term sell-offs. There's a reason that you own the basket of securities that you do in the first place, which is because they should be stable, prosperous companies that will continue to be so for many, many years. If you're not sure about that part, we definitely should talk. But essentially, don't become a statistic by locking in losses just because market prices have temporarily dropped. Tip number 2. Now this takes a little more nerve, but rather than just not selling at a loss, buy. Stocks are far cheaper than they've been for the last year or two, and reiterating rule number 1, many of these companies are the same companies that they were a year or two ago. They're just priced lower, which means as an investment, your money is going further. Now this idea requires a little more tact, a little more discretion, but personally, this is my favorite time to swoop in and buy some stocks. And finally, tip number 3, which is arguably the most important out of all of these: rebalancing your portfolio. Essentially, this is a combination of the first 2 tips, which means taking profits off the table for those investments that have not been affected by the downturn and subsequently applying that capital to what are now lower price securities. This is not just a tip, by the way. It is a fundamental process in what should actually be taking place in a well-managed investment portfolio. So let's bring it all home. To learn more about implementing the ideas that I've just provided, click the link below and let's put in place a plan of action to make things work for you in these very interesting times.